iPhone 17 family is rumored to be launching on September 9th. Ahead of that, there is rumors about the iPhone 17 Air replacing the iPhone 16 Plus in Apple roster due to the lackluster sales performance. The type of chipset that will go in the Air is still under doubt, whether it will be the Pro SoC or not. Apple Pro iPhone usually get the Pro chipset, while the Air is not a Pro. So, will you get the same chipset as the vanilla iPhone 17? A new rumor out of China says that's not the case, revealing that Air will use the A19 Pro SoC. But there's a small catch. It will not be the same A19 Pro chipset that feature in the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Rather, the Air will get a lesser GPU with one core less. That will be the only difference. While the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max A19 Pro will feature 6 GPU cores, the iPhone 17 Air will get just 5. The iPhone 17 Air screen will not be the same level of iPhone 17 Pro according to the same source. The Air is rumored to be around 5.65 to 5.7 millimeter thick. This contradicts the claims that were made in July that iPhone 17 Air will get the A19 chipset of the iPhone 17.